we are making a wine cocktail in celebration of spring, found in our spring celebration guide on our website. But today we are at Pokolbin Distillery with
Craig,
and what are we making today?
Beautiful wine cocktail.
Beautiful wine cocktail with our beautiful wild pink. Show us what to do.
Yeah, so we're going to start by adding some blackberries to our mixing bowl, and then we'll add some sugar. We're just going to kind of mush these together a little bit.
Lovely. So today we are using our wild pink. We are doing this because with these bottles, if you purchase one of these, $1 from each bottle is donated to the Groundswell Foundation. Okay, so we've muddled our blackberries.
Yep, so we're going to just add some lime juice next. And I think at this point we could add some vodka. So we're just going to add 30 ml of vodka today.
Where's this vodka from?
So that's all made here from scratch, made in Pokolbin.
Perfect.
So it comes out of still, 6 times distilled, so nice and smooth.
6 times distilled.
So nice and smooth.
What a process.
Yeah.
And it all comes through in the wine cocktail.
And then we'll add some ice.
This is going to be perfect coming into spring. You are able to access our spring celebration guide through our website. This is a lovely guide into great vibes. And then we, with these, we have designed recipe books for this. So this is our wild pink. This is slightly sweeter style of sparkling. Lots of Turkish delight, lovely raspberries, strawberries and cream. I love this to start the evening, or even just as a lovely dessert wine. I love this with a pavlova. So hence the pavlovas at the front. It is part of our spring celebration guide. Pop, we're ready to celebrate now.
Sure
Let's
are.
go, Craig. So I'll let Craig handle that one. Perfect. Would you like the glass over here?
That sounds good.
And then we're going to top it off with the wild pink. So we take turns. You take that glass and I'll top this up. For our garnishes, we have picked our lovely dried limes. We also have a lovely blackberry. Pick whatever's in season. We do recommend the lime and blackberry. So I'll let Craig do the garnishing for this one. Perfect. Wild pink, do recommend enjoying this one. I love it with meringues in the hot summer's afternoon. So start garnishing, lovely just on the top like that. And then I think there's only one thing left to do once we've finished garnishing.
I think so. I think just enjoy it.
Cheers. Cheers to springtime. This one is found in our spring celebration guide. Head to southeastcreekwines.com. It is a free downloadable book. It includes 6 recipes, 6 Spotify playlists to help enhance the vibes and the mood whilst enjoying those wines, and also 6 wine cocktail recipes. So I say cheers to that.
Cheers.
Let's get into it, Craig.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, isn't that so good?
It's so good.
Perfect for springtime. This to me has that lovely fruit in there. We've got the blackberries, has hints of blackberries obviously. That hint of lime juice in there just cuts off that sweetness a little bit more. The 6-time distilled vodka just adds that lovely, obviously softer finish, paired with our wild pink.
Very refreshing, very light. Good one for summer.
Great for by the pool.
That's it.
Perfect. So cheers to spring, everybody.
Cheers.